Hi guys, welcome to NCHMCT JEE. But ये वीडियो प्रिपरेशन ओरिएंटेड नहीं है. दिस वीडियो इज विथ रिगार्ड्स टू योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ ध्रुव शेट्टी in IHM Mumbai. So he started his preparation in the year 2018 Borivali branch. So he joined Maneuver 2018 में and after then he cracked NCHMCT. rank कितना था? 282 was the rank and he got IHM Mumbai. दिल्ली भी मिल गया था, right? दिल्ली भी मिल गया था. एंड अभी 2019, 2020 एंड 2021 चल रहा है. सो बेसिकली ही इज़ इन हिज फाइनल ईयर ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम जो आपका होटल NCHMCT को लेके है. सो ही विल शेयर हिज एक्सपीरियंस IHM मुंबई को लेकर के. जितने लोग IHM मुंबई ड्रीम कर रहे हो उनके लिए ये वीडियो काफ़ी हैंडी है. IHM मुंबई या IHM दिल्ली जो भी IHM टारगेट कर रहे हो आप. और दूसरा प्लेसमेंट भी काफ़ी डिसेंट है. क्या क्या कंपनी, व्हाट आर द कंपनीज एंड द hotels comes to hire you people. So everything he will be telling and yeah, so let's pass on.
Hi guys, I'm Dhruv Shetty. I started my preparation with Maneuver in the year 2018. I was there with them for almost a year. They helped me a lot with my preparation, the mock tests and everything. And then once I got into IHM, I'll share my experience because we've already done a video regarding that. So my experience in the first year, the first year was offline, so it was pretty good. Like I expected all these things, like the kitchen, the housekeeping, the front office, all these departments were introduced to us. And frankly speaking, I'm very much interested into the hotel industry, in the hospitality industry. So I attended each and every lecture. I used to sit for almost each and every day. I never bunked any classes, and it felt good because I was interested in this course. After all, I chose this course, so there was no reason to bunk for me. So I attended each and every lecture, and it was quite interesting. The teachers, the faculty over there are top notch. They are the best in the business. They teach also quite well. The old faculty over there. The campus is also quite good. It's quite big, bigger than the previous colleges which I was in. I was in Podar, so it was quite bigger than Podar.
How's the daily routine of the student who study there?
The daily routine of the students. So it starts at around 9, and then we need to be there till around 5:30ish. The last lecture ends by around 5:30ish. We have a lunch break from 1 to 2, in which we are served like quite good food, which are prepared for the second year students.
Hostel facility is there?
Yeah, hostel facility is there, but it's not there for the first year. It's there for the second year and the third years.
So those who are coming outside Maharashtra, outside Mumbai, so they have to take PG?
Yup. They have to take some PG or they have to rent a flat. For the first year. For the second year, then it comes on your marks ki kitna marks score kiya hai aapne. Accordingly, you have to get, because there's a limited number of seats in the hostel itself. So the people who have the most attendance, who have the most marks, they secure their seats in the hostel.
How many seats are there roughly?
Roughly, I don't know, because we never got to be in the hostel like second year. So I have no idea regarding the hostel. But they have limited amount of seats, and नीचे भी मतलब hostel life काफ़ी अच्छा था because I was in contact with the third years and they used to play cricket, and I was from a cricketing background, so I used to be in the IHM ka cricket team. I was there in the IHM ka cricket team, and I used to play with them. Every evening they play volleyball, cricket. They have all these facilities over there at IHM. हाँ शाम के टाइम पे वहाँ पे है अच्छे facilities है खेलने के लिए. And then
coming back to the this placement part. I mean, ideally अपना मोटिव तो यही होता है कि भाई 3 साल पढ़ेंगे तो अपन how much will be earning basically. So what are the top companies so far came and coming to hire, and what are the pay they give? Stipend देते हैं, फिर training होता है, क्या है? As we were discussing earlier.
So there were a lot of companies that come around. अभी ही आ गए हैं around 11 to 12, 13, 14 companies have come. And this is the SEM 6 that is going on.
McDonald's came, right?
McDonald's has come, Starbucks has come, KFC has come, The Park has come, Uber has come. Many companies have come right now. So, and you can sit for all the interviews. How many interviews you want, you can sit. It's online and offline both. And then the pay first year, like once they select you, they'll take you in as management trainees. If you secure a management trainee, then that time you'll be paid a stipend basically. So for 1 or for 2 years, they'll train you. They'll provide you accommodation, they'll provide you food, they'll provide you everything. But they'll provide you a stipend. They won't provide you a salary like 50,000, 60,000. They won't provide you that. They'll provide you a stipend of around 15,000, 13,000 or 20,000 depending on you and the amount that they give. and then they'll train you for around 1 year, 1.5 year, and then if you're good, you'll have to give an exam. That's not that difficult regarding all the things that you've learned in the past 1 year. It's a simple exam, it's not that tough, and then you get selected as a proper employee. Then you get placed as an assistant manager, assistant F&B manager, or a chef de partie. You get posted in the top level. Basically, you don't need to go from the ground level up. You don't need to get posted in the commis 1, commis 2. You get posted at the higher level. So it's basically like you don't have to work through the grind upwards. Like you instantly get in the top positions because you've cracked the MT, the management trainee ka.
Yes. And you're coming out from the top IHM colleges.
Yep.
And those companies are coming there. So in-house hiring is there, in-house placement you will be getting. So don't need to take your resume and go outside search for the job. Then if you are from IHM Mumbai, basically as we are discussing about the IHM Mumbai job, मिलेगा आपको placement मिलेगा, right?
Yes, you just need to sit for the interviews. Job मिलेगा because the faculty is such that they have contacts with a lot of companies, and a lot of companies know IHM Mumbai from a lot of years. So they come. A lot of companies come.
Okay, in this COVID-19 जो impact हुआ है, because of that any kind of impact happened on the placement? कि companies नहीं as you mentioned कि कंपनियां आ रही हैं, right? So I don't think फिर कि placement को लेके ऐसा बहुत issue है. So what any kind of college में any kind of a discussion so far या impact है?
Like the batch before me, they had some problems, I guess, but I was not in contact with them that much, so I can't actually say on that matter कि कैसे companies आए कि नहीं आए. But for my year, I can say that the companies.
So your year is the final year only.
Yes.
COVID का कैसे चल रहा है?
चल रहा है, but companies are coming.
So इतना टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है कि आईएचएम में जा रहे हैं. बहुत लोग ये सोचे कि जॉब मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, ड्रॉप आउट कर दे रहे हैं फर्स्ट ईयर में, जो कि पास आउट हो गए शायद 2024, 25, 26 में अप्रॉक्स. तो तब तक तो कोविड खत्म हो चुका है. So don't need to worry about your placement part. If you are from the top IHM, so definitely placement will be there, and the only thing you should be capable enough to crack the interview. If you have a skill, you have a skill and you know how to crack the interview, and if you have taken proper training, proper education, then no one can stop you. So overall जो IHM को लेके experience है, just quickly let's finish. So how's what do you want to say on it? पहले ऐसा सोचते थे ना अपने NCHMCT JEE प्रिपेयर कर रहे यार, IHM मुंबई जाएंगे, IHM मुंबई में जाएंगे. तो फाइनली जब मिल गया IHM मुंबई, तो वो एक्साइटमेंट कम हुआ या जाने के बाद लगा रहे हाँ मतलब यही चाहिए था और ये चीज़ है यहाँ पे. वो एक्साइटमेंट जो होता है ना, ये रीज़न से मुझे IIM जाना है, बिकॉज IIM जाना है वो इंडिया का टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट है. वैसे IHM जाना है वो इंडिया का टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट में आता है. तो उसमें मतलब एक यूनिकनेस क्या है
IHM का uniqueness is such that the faculty that teach over there and the faculties that teach in the other institutions, I guess there's a huge difference in that, because the level at which the knowledge that the faculty over here have and the experience that they have is astounding. Like they have in their particular fields, actually they have a lot of knowledge. Like if they start talking with you, it will never end. Like they have a lot of knowledge in their particular fields. Experience both hai. They have a lot of contacts with the top chefs of India. We have a lot of guest lectures, like many managers as well as assistant managers, they come for guest lectures in our college. Different crews ke heads, they come, they also give interview, like they keep seminars for us. They keep a lot of seminars for us for like introducing us to these companies and everything. So that's a different point, I guess, which other institutions won't have. I don't know if they have or not, but over here they have a lot of contacts, so that helps a lot.
Obviously, the main reason alumni contact definitely help us, and obviously placement committees are good. So we can add on. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to see podcast of Dhruv Shetty 2018 में 19 में किया था हमने, so you can watch that podcast. थोड़ा पुराना है. He mentioned everything कि how he gone through the preparation part, section wise कैसे preparation किए थे, and when he was traveling, because बोरीवली में he used to come all the way from कुर्ला से, तो दादा सेंटर भी नहीं था उस समय. सो प्रिपरेशन वो मतलब वीडियो देखोगे यू विल गेट टू नो. बाकी जो भी लोग IHM मुंबई टारगेट कर रहे हो, सो IHM मुंबई इज़ ऑल टाइम बेस्ट IHM, सो डेफिनेटली शुड टारगेट फॉर इट. ऑलराइट, चलो, या बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट.